Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, September 10, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, September 10, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng September 10, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, September 10, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 56 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 44 million pesos for September 10, 2023 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Sunday, September 10, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.